This conference will now be recorded.
All right, today's topic is going to be YouTube, something which we are very familiar and we use very frequently on daily basis for anything and everything we would like to know. Just like Google, it's become so obvious that if you want to find about something, in real and want to get to know some references, uh, just to find out anything. And I also told you it works as a search engine as well today. So this was basically started in 2005. And what we'll be doing is getting to know how we can, what are some basic steps, how do you create your channel, and how you can create multiple channels, monetizing it, and what you need for monetizing it, and also, some branding and layout. What you see on the screen right now, there are three sections. I'll just go through it again, and some tips on how your, cover page or they say YouTube channel art should be for it to look apt. And logo, I think you can use it from the previous classes which we had done earlier. So, any of you know which was the first video uploaded on YouTube? I'm sure you'll be familiar. It's quite a common one. I'm sure you have seen. Yeah, exactly. This is it. So the founders, we had uploaded that, and now it's one of the biggest streaming and sharing platform where people upload um, millions of videos, and I know it takes hours of views. And so basically, YouTube is a video sharing website or a platform where you can upload, view, and share your clips. If you're an unregistered user, you can still watch it, but to upload and get certain features eligible, then you can be able to upload videos more than certain given limit or duration. So we should go through that as well. And content creation, that's up to you how you do it. Um, what are the lines you can create? Definitely, as a business point of view, you can create videos on your product videos, product launches. That's a stage which has taken the main highlight right now. Every brand, they do promotions and they set a premiere date when they go live. It might be live or it might be a premiere. There are two things there. So all big brands have chosen video format and going live as one of the biggest ways of promoting the products and services. Then you can create videos, like I told you earlier, podcasts which are turned into videos. So you can create videos on interviewing people, solving their problem. So any point of time when you solve another person's problem and their queries, they tend to watch your videos more, and that's why DIY videos are so famous. And even small kids are, getting into this, creating small clips which help people solve their daily issues. Can be as simple as removing the SIM and um, enabling some features on your phone, and how to make your laptop faster. You'll be seeing a lot of videos on this. And even once you go into Google search and look for what people are looking out for based on the suggestions, you can create your own content. And it's not necessary you need to have your voice and show yourself on a camera as well. A lot of people, the bigger YouTubers as well, like who's the boss? I think his actual name is Arun. So even he started off. Today is very successful. He has millions of followers, and he's a great. He's an international level tech reviewer. I'll just show you his channel. He's pretty good. Yeah. So Mr. Who's the boss? So he has around 10.3 million subscribers. So his level of editing might have gone this good over times, but he started quite humble as well. And like you can see, he's a very successful YouTuber reviewing a lot of tech videos. Now, also need to observe is the videos as we scroll down, the quality of thumbnails he creates. So one, it's very colorful. It makes people get attracted the minute they see that. Also, it has valuable thumbnails to it. So that is a clickbait which creates people to click on it. So like any other social media we have, it's a scroll base as we keep scrolling. And that point of time, if you can get the attention of the viewer, you're likely to get more views. So good thumbnail, good content, and also your thumbnail should match with the video you have created. Because it's just like you have a DVD with a fantastic cover. I mean, in the cover, I mean, display. Or how can I say? A great external design on display of a cover page. What you can say. But inside the content is something else or not up to the mark. Doesn't go well. At least if you want to get better views, you can start with good thumbnails. Relatively, your content should match and should be of some value. And again, to create thumbnails, you can make use of Canva. If you want to save time, there are pre-existing preset there. You can definitely choose that, or if you wish to do it on your own, that's good as well. That's your choice. But have a look and how they create. He's good, and there's another fantastic guy. His name is Marcus Brown. So he's also another 5 millions ahead. Okay, the minute we enter the channel, what you see is the showcase video. So if someone enters the channel for the first time, you can have a very attractive, or how can I say, something it draws their attention. Those kind of video, if you already have or created, that shouldn't be like showcase. The minute they visit, if they're not a subscriber, they should be seeing that video, and that will be giving an impression for them. So the first impression you create is for your showcase video, which I'll be showing how you do it. You just need to upload your video, and in the settings, in the layout, we'll be choosing that particular video. Okay, just check out his profile pic and how well he's done his channel art as well. And what you also need to observe is to the right side, just above the subscribe button, you see the social media handles there. He has Instagram connected, Reddit, and his website, Twitter. So when I click on Insta here, so this is a great feature we have on YouTube here. So that goes directly to his Insta channel. Likewise, his website, and I don't know why he's connected YouTube to YouTube again. Maybe that, yeah, he's another channel. So another channel of his is created there. And I also observe here the minute I click on subscribe here and I refresh this channel or refresh this page. I don't know if you noticed the showcase video. Okay, see it's changed now. Now his feature video. Once I'm a subscriber, it shows me the latest featured video shall come up there. And see, most of his videos are like millions of views. He's a very successful YouTuber doing great content. Also very influential. If you can see this line of, see here, there's Obama, there's Bill Gates, yeah. And any tech that comes out, these guys get out first and they review. So it's just telling you type of videos you can create review videos, do it yourself, DIY videos, and If you're a very big brand or a very experienced person who knows you're a subject matter expert regarding a topic, you can start guiding, the others, helping them get through a lot of ways, a lot of things you can create. And it can be easy, it can be different, it can be like tech, food, travel, it can be anything of your interest. You can start. So it doesn't have to be that you should show up on the video. It's not really required. You can even go into Canva. You can start with something very small. You can see here. If you click on video, you have all the options here. And most of the content consumed on the internet is through video format. So even on your Facebook, if you have content in form of videos, it's going to be great. And YouTube is just completely for the video format. So say the Facebook video, you have YouTube video. Even if you follow a simple format as an intro, an outro, and the middle you'll have your main the body of content where you're trying to tell them, and that is carried forward. It's going to create an impact over a long run. There's a link which I'll also show you on YouTube. I mean, just a complete section which will help you create and get to know more about it. So there are some themes and entire videos which you can make use of. At any point of time, you can change the text there. So I was telling you, you don't have to even show yourself. See, there are videos from Texels also. Even that's a great site. I'm not sure about the video though. I mean, audio though, you might get a strike, so be careful with the audio. But it's mostly wait and see. Okay, here, even on Canva, you have this tab here which has videos. So you can start with something, just using a text, and that should be related to your business category. Maybe fashion, traveling, food, or someone is into, fitness, and you want to start creating content regarding that. See, well, the moment you create it on, I mean, you upload on YouTube, you can bring the same format across all your social media handles, from Twitter to Facebook, wherever. Even on WhatsApp, you can have a small snippet as your story. So there are a wide range of collections which you can make use of. Okay, I'll just take this. Canva seems to be slowing down the net. Okay. This happened yesterday as well. The minute I open Canva, it's slowing down a bit. So here you can add a series of videos here, and after each you can Let me add this. Have simple transitions to start with, and if you can do voiceover and have videos with your presence, it's going to be great. But even if you want to start off with at some point, you can just use Canva and add in text. Text shall be great. So there are two things here. One, optimizing a profile for YouTube before you start, and also on the other side, if you're interested to take it forward, you can go ahead and create content on daily basis, whatever your interest is on. Just make it takes a bit of consistency and time as well. Okay, I need to drag this. So one or two clips is not sufficient. I'm just showing you. So see here, you can add transitions after every clip. And okay, it's slowing down for me. You can try this later. Just see, go on adding slides and add multiple videos. But make sure after every video you have keep it short and use some text for it. And also make sure you have intro and outro. It can be through voiceover or even the video format of how you edit it. It's slowing down for me. I'll just skip this. So here, even again, you can create your logo for YouTube here, just as you did earlier. Yeah, channel logo, hidden by hidden pixel. Then what's important here is your channel art. Say YouTube. Okay, channel art. Now basically the cover page, which we see here. MKBHD. This is quality videos and he's added in some graphics in the background. I think this should be done with this should have been done with a more professional software by a graphic designer. But to give it a start and get you started, use Canva, and that should be good enough. Okay, here once you find that, see there are a lot of presets. Use any of this for creating and starting off with your channel. If you're into music, you can do this. If you have food, just also make sure there are a lot of paid here because people prefer to use Canva and especially this, there'll be a lot of paid versions. What happens with paid is you should be getting a watermark or Canva written on it, which will not look good or you'll not be able to download it. So look for a free version or like I told you earlier, open one tab and in the same you can replicate it or you can find templates which might be similar. If you're into gaming, there are a lot of options, whatever category you're into. Most of you like passion here. So if not on business point of view, it's just your passion. You want to take it forward. You can create channels here and go on creating, videos. travel vlogs, whatever is your interest. Pick up a topic and start creating content. It'll take time. So first you can have a channel ready, and then step by step you can add in small videos. Like I told you, if you don't want to show yourself in the video, you can use text format, images, and slowly you can start giving giving voiceover, and then at some point of time when you feel confident, you can show yourself in the video as well. Some are really photogenic and some prefer to be on that, so you can start right away. If not, there's still way for everyone to create. And even in terms of business, so you can create your product videos. So if you create a page already on Facebook, which you should have by now, and on the same lines, you want to tell people what service you provide. So you can start with that introduction of your company and services you provide. Why should they consider you? What is your how do you solve that, address their pain points, the pain points, and then your success stories. So a basic, you can start with creating a review of your company. Or over time, even you can, if you're getting good feedbacks, you can take it in a video format. Video testimonials about your company, reviews. You saw that earlier as well. The difference an influencer has and brand itself is posting something. There's so much difference. So if you can get an influencer, talk about your channel, it goes a long way because their own set of followers, along with the existing ones, that gives a really good boost. So I'll just pick anything here. But what's a basic criteria? I'll just show you that. So you can create a view like, take time and do that later. So even if you observe in this design, Tech Digest today, your daily dose of technology, news and reviews. So they have name of the channel and a small tagline what they do on this platform. So another thing here, what I would like you to know and keep in mind when you're creating the YouTube channel address. So click on elements on the left side. Okay, bring up a square or rectangle and place it in the center. Okay, I can use this preset itself. Even if not, I'll just show you. So just note it down somewhere, or you can, if you have a laptop, you can try it along with me. See, what's basically recommended is this video might be watched on any platform, like can be viewed on TV, can be viewed on laptop, a laptop or PC, or it can be mostly be viewed on mobiles. So when someone comes to your channel for the first time, so your channel art and your profile makes a lot of it's very important. Along with what content you post, even your layout, overall look, how your channel looks is very important. So very quick step I just want to tell you is make sure, okay, just bring in a rectangle or square from elements box here to the left side. And once you do that, just make sure this is around 423 in height. So you can use this box as a reference that say I'll reduce it to 423. If you're not able to get that exact point, you can zoom in. This is a preset. I can create one again with a blank one. I'll just show you that as well. Okay. This is a very rough approximation. It comes out correct. Try it if you want. Okay, 423 in height and say around 1545 by 50. You have the measurements coming out there. Just go along with that and select 423 by 1545. I'll just tell you why I'm doing this, and you should also be seeing it. So yeah, 45. Yes, I'm going back to 40. So you want to be precise, please zoom in and any point, 1, 2, you can change. Otherwise, to try this from uh, not zooming in from just as you see it, you'll not be able to get that exact point. And then position, middle, and center. So they have already created this, and see it falls exactly in the same zone. No matter on what device this is seen, it'll be visible. The cover image or the channel art is going to be perfect. And like I told you, you can extend this all the way to the right. It's okay. But to view it on the mobile device, it should be there. So if you want, you can bring in another one and create. Just these are basically references which will help you create it accurately. You can do however you like. We call this a safe zone. So no matter on what device you see, it should be visible. Yeah. So what you see in the black there, the lighter black, that should be seen on mobile devices. The one in pink, this one, you can view it on the channel art will be visible on desktop and PCs and all that. But when you viewing it on a bigger platform like a smart TV or something, the entire page shall be visible because that is the dimension now Canva has given us. Okay, you want to know about it? Click on 5. So that's 2560 pixels into 1440. Okay, so I made this small change, and you can try with some, a blank template, a blank canvas, and create your own design. Just be a short of time. I've just taken an existing one. So how this works is, see, I'll rename this. Okay, I've just taken something there. Let me download that. Download. You can note it down somewhere. It's 423 by height and 1545 by width. So that's a small rectangle you see inside. So yeah, you want to get something like this. That's going to be good. That's going to be better. Okay. And any changes you want to make to your channel, or basically to create a channel as well. If you have a Gmail account and login, I'm sure most of you would be doing it. In case you've not created a channel previously, you'll get this option here as instead of your channel, you'll get create your channel. You'll ask you name of your channel and category and those kind of things. And once you do that, you should be getting this tab where it says your channel. Okay, previously I had done something else. I'll just change and show you what difference that makes. I'm sorry, I just skipped that. So if it'll be blank, I mean, the minute we try. Or let me do one thing. I'll start one more channel for this settings. Any point of time you want to add, see, even in your Google account, if you created one channel or you want to create multiple channels, YouTube channels, you can do that in the same account. It's just that go into the settings there, settings, and add or manage your channel. So there's one here. I want to create one more. I'll say create a channel and given the name of the channel you like. We'll ask you some, yeah, So that's that easy as creating a channel. You can create multiple channels like that. Okay, so this is how you'll be. I mean, this is what you'll be seeing for the first time if you haven't uploaded any kind of videos. Okay, so you start with, and here, even here, you just I'll just run you through the tabs there. You have home, videos, playlists. So why playlist is important is over time if you start creating videos uh, in huge numbers, just like you having folders on your laptop, if you don't get them organized, they're gonna be everywhere. So playlist is very essential, and also it's important for the audience who are coming in. If you want to keep them navigated entire, only through your content, it can be through end screen, iCards, and all that. If you keep it organized, it's going to be much better. And channels, any other feature channels, and finally about. So we should all, if you want to edit any point of this, you have two options here. One is manage video and customize channel. We'll start with customize channel. Okay, welcome to YouTube Studio. So here you get all the details on the inside, who are watching your video, what age group, gender, which geographical location, and what time are they watching it, and how can you create better content for them. You should be getting all these. Just like any social media, you have all the details which are coming once you get traction if people start viewing it. So what you see here first is your layout, branding, and basic info. So let's start with branding and then come here to layout once I download a couple of videos. I have few, I'll just try coding them. If you want, I'll just show you where you can do that just for the learning purpose. You can shoot your own video and upload, that's okay, but right if you want to do something, you can check out on Pixels. So branding, so you have three things here. One is your profile pic, a picture, banner image, and watermark. So watermark you can set it in such a way it can show in the entire video. It'll basically help you get subscribers. So if that, and also watermark, as you know, another person can uh, rip off your video. So your design and the logo shall be there, and you can set at what point of time it should come, or you can even set the entire video. Okay, so I will start with banner. Okay, so now you see these guidelines. So it's telling you the same. So viewable on desktop, okay, viewable on all devices, be it from cell phone, laptop, everything, and on TV. Okay, so you don't have to crop anything, it comes perfectly. So keep that number, write it down somewhere, or you can try it out even now, that's okay. So 423 by 1545. That should be the rectangle you see inside. And rest you can pick it up from Canva. Go to Canva and look for YouTube channel art. Okay, click done. So now you see here, it's coming quite, aligned to all these three formats. Whether you're seeing it on a TV, desktop, or a small device like a smartphone. Okay, don't forget to click on publish. That's how it gets saved. And if you have created a logo earlier with Canva for Google Business or anything, you can start over again, no problem. Just add in that logo. I'll choose the one which is there here. If not, I'll quickly download it and check. Okay, I don't think I have it here. I'll quickly download the design which I have there. So it's initially when you created the logo, it was 500 by 500. Now a YouTube logo, it says around 800 by 800 pixels. Or you can quickly bring in the design which you had created earlier. Just copy paste everything and put here, so it's to the exact size. Give me a minute. I think it's gone all the way down. Okay, finally. Yeah, so just find the design you've done it earlier. Copy channel logo, blank. There are also presets if you want to just create something really quick. Just go to preset and change the text and see what color theme. See, you get a lot of templates to the left as well. I had got this design, so I'm just using this again. See here, there are a lot of designs to the left side. They're not bad, some are free as well. Good ones. Just check it out. Okay. So make sure it aligns if you already have a design and download. Okay. So see here it's as well. YouTube is very friendly in giving you guides and how much it should be. So in case it's not coming exactly into your design, you can crop it, but make sure it's here. Okay, done. And once you do that, you can add a watermark as well. Here you can find an image like subscribe or something like that. So even when they click on that, they get to subscribe. Or you can put your logo as well. That's okay. Anything you prefer. But here I'll just use the logo as logo itself, and it'll ask you an option um, when it has to be shown. End of the video, custom start time. So it'll show up something like this in your video. You can say entire video, and finally publish. So this is a branding section which will give you the first outlook of the profile or channel on YouTube. Okay, I've just randomly taken this. You can spend time and design it however you like and in a better way. But just remember those small details which I mentioned. So if you use a previous logo which I had 500 by 500, it might look a lot smaller. So use what's prescribed by YouTube. I mean on Canva. Use that. So try around 800 by 800 pixels, and there are a lot of existing preset. You can make use of that as well. And okay, if you see any kind of challenge here, let me take this video, which will be trending now. Okay, just I don't know how good Sun TV will be with their YouTube channel, but this is trending right now. And just observe how they have used the keywords and the title. They're very clear what the video is about. It's a lyric video, name of the movie, who's starring in it. So even no matter what content you put in, the thumbnail, title, all this should be having clear details about the content the viewer is about to watch. I mean, there are a lot of mislead videos also. It'll have something else as title, and the actual content will be something else. So those are going to be spammed and not watched also for a long period of time. Okay, I'll just Sony. I'm just looking for a channel which have better details. And now what we're watching is a clear example of a YouTube ad, which we'll be doing once we finish some bit of YouTube today. So this is a skippable format. I can skip after 5 seconds of this video. And see here, I can find out why this ad. So it says time of the day, your general location, like country or city, your activity while you signed in to Google. So it's also telling you the details why this ad is being shown to you. So minimum of 5 seconds I should watch. And there are video format as well, which I want you to please create. So it'll be useful for next when you're doing YouTube ads. Create a channel on YouTube and upload a video which is 15 or less, 15 seconds or less. Upload one more video which is around 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 uploads will be helpful for you to learn itself. I'll be doing it anyway, but if you want to learn along, it'll be good. So create one video which is 15 and less, 15 seconds, 7 to 15 seconds. So that'll be the non-skippable, and then you can have something like this which we just saw. Okay, I think this should be a good channel to tell you about. So they too have a showcase video. So the minute I just enter their channel, their one video is getting displayed. One video is showing to me. So that might be their latest movie. Okay, below which they have a proper section. You can create here as well, short videos, long videos, music videos. So these sections you can create, and you also have this option of community where you can post, like as is on Google Business, you can post here as well what's coming up next. See, for example, they even have a poll here. So this is engagement, how you keep your audience engaged. So what's coming up, movie posters, and whatever their business category, they shall be showing according to that. Okay, playlists. So as I told you, as you see, and also please observe how good the cover images here or the channel art, how well they have done it. Songs out now, latest trending songs. I mean, I'm not the content, but look at the design, how well they have put up all their recent releases, and it's a well done. And they also aligned each, what do you say, cover art, cover of those movies so well and displayed there. And see here as well, playlists, music, movies, trailers, and about section as I've seen, most of them keep it very simple. They don't go and writing too much of it. And see, this was started sometime in 2014, and that's a lot. And here, these are the links which is shown here is again displayed on the channel art. So channel art is very important. Just spend a little time and create a good one, and their design logo. Okay, so this is about branding, and we'll go to other things right now. So start with that. Create and see any point of time, any video. Let's see if this has it. Yeah, see here. Okay. So the minute they click on the watermark, it also helps us to get subscribers. So you get this city here, which can turn them into a subscriber. It's very important to get subscribers because some select number of subscribers and watch hours is what will make you YouTube where you can monetize your channel. So it's basically 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So your content has to be whatever you're putting it up, all the content. So it should be watched for, I mean, 4,000 watch hours and minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Only after which you can start earning some money out of it. And that's a long process. You need to start, like getting started. First, create a channel and slowly follow these steps and go on adding videos. So step by step shall take you there. And also consistency, how often you post, I mean, how often you publish your videos. That's also important. Category, that's your wish. Whatever catches your interest, and you can take it for a longer period of time. It should not be something forced. Like you have to do it every week or month. A month is too much. A week at least. Weekly one video, monthly 4 videos also is great. And now the latest trending, what people are getting hooked onto on YouTube is the shorts, definitely. Just 30 seconds videos. And again, for this, you can use Canva. It's very easy. See, professionals would be preferring Adobe Premiere, and you also have Final Cut for the Mac, I mean, iOS users. But to start with, Canva has literally everything on it. It's good to start. So 30 seconds video, those shorts are catching up. All the big YouTubers also are creating shorts. Yeah, so you have it here. So give that a try. Create a couple of small videos and see how it's going to. And you need to promote as well. Just by creating a channel and uploading videos, it's not going to take you anywhere. You need to create videos. I mean, if you're seeing this on a long run, your video should be based on which which is solving which is giving solutions to people and should be interesting or keeping them occupied for a long time. There are some very strange videos you won't believe. You go on for 4 or 5 hours and literally nothing. I'm sure you would have used as well. These kind of like background music. They have millions of subscribers. View or wait, I'll just show you. I mean, they would have started long back or really good quality, content. See this. No copyright video, background, green screen, motion graphic, animated. So they have around 3.5, and that's also the ad you're seeing there. And even if you scroll down, these videos which go on for hours together, look at this, 4.9 million views. I don't know. Yeah, it might have audio, maybe not. This goes on for 1 hour with some slight patterns. I don't know if even the patterns are changing or not. Wow. Yeah, just look at that. 1 hour of just the same on a loop, you can say, and it has views of around 4.9. That's and even a lot of even the kids are coming up. You won't believe it's also the kids who are picking up this channel. The toy review videos. They're getting a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. So you can't say only this is going to work. It's all about trying and keeping it consistent. Definitely something shall click over time. But initially, if you get these kind of small, some basic things right, you can take it forward. And then moving ahead. So description, like I told you, most of the channels keep it very simple. You should be telling what are you providing it viewers and why should they choose you. And also you can tell how often you keep publishing your content and what do you do. So a very small description should be okay. And also helps slightly in finding your channel. I told you about YouTube working as a search engine. So use the right words and description, channel name, and tags. So tags basically you'll be getting when you're uploading your videos. Channel URL. Okay. Say thank you for whatever world, country, or whatever. Okay, can keep it simple. Few more lines, or you can add in some keywords as well. Vlogger, whatever. Okay. So add in few lines, or you can give in links of the website. It's not required because they already provide you here. So here you can link the social media channels, your website here. Basically, see here, click on this and say Facebook, and here paste the link of your business page which you've created, or any page, your bank page, whatever you created. You can paste the link here, and the minute you do that, it shall show up on the channel ad. And you can also choose how many links has to be shown, first two, first three. So here you get links on the banner. I'll just randomly take a website. So it will be difficult for me to find this page again now. Just make sure you publish it each time. Oh yeah, sorry. In the bottom, you can also be giving your uh, email. Yeah, here. Okay, publish it, and yeah, keep it simple. That's all right. Yeah, something like that. You can add in few more lines if you want. So in case they like to know about what the creator is saying, you can add in few lines. Okay. There's a lot more space. See here, website. I've added that link there, and here it's gonna show up. So the minute I click, it goes to the site I've given the link to. Okay, that's branding, layout, basic info, and finally you have this showcase video and feature video. So basically add in, upload a couple of videos. I'm sure most of you would have used, or the ones who use it for the first time. See here, this is a section here, featured section. You can add in the short videos, you can add in the other videos, which I just showed you in the other channel. Um, so if you can create multiple sections and go on adding your videos here. This will basically create the layout. The minute they visit your site, I mean your channel, this shall be displayed. So the first one, what you see there is the channel trailer, okay, the showcase video. And then you have your featured video for returning subscribers, people who already were subscribed for your channel. Channel trailer, okay, choose a good one, which I'll just randomly show you how we can start downloading right away. Pixels is good. So I took this as blogs, music or any kind of travel video download. So look for the category, and once you do that, here you have photos and videos. Click on the tab of videos. Okay. I hope the video is clear, no lags today. Just let me know if any issues. Okay, there are a lot of videos even on camera, you can find them. I think this has no audio. Even on YouTube, you have a section where you can add in copyright audio in case your video has some content which has copyright audio. You can change that, then add it in the video or in the audio which doesn't have a copyright. Just looking for a small video here. One way is here if you want to find some videos. Other way is you can go on to YouTube, find a video which you like, and there's also the photo. The other way is if you find a video which you want to upload, again be careful if you're doing this on longer, it's going to be a problem. But for the first time, just to get a hang of it, see music video. I just find one on YouTube itself. Uh, Go to filter, under 4 minutes or even lesser would be okay. Okay, copy the URL if you're okay with that music, that video. And you can use these third-party sites, Y2Meet and the other sites to download the video. In case you're not finding anything good on pixels and other places, you can do that. Or if you're not created content on your own, you can just give it a try to start with. So go to Google. Trying a piece. Okay, paste the link and download. You'll get certain, couple of pop-ups. So keep this ready in advance tomorrow. One video which is less than 15 seconds, another one like I told you 2-3 minutes, and one more 20 minutes. Once we upload this video, I'll just show you certain features which you need to enable if you want to upload any video more than 15 minutes. My net might be slow. 1 second. Okay, there are certain things we need to follow also while uploading. I'll just show that as well. So the video is getting downloaded, and the same as I told you, you can find on Pexels and those kind of sites. Pixabay has great pics, not much of videos there. Okay, it's saying slow connection because I've opened multiple tabs. Let me close this. Okay, before you add in any of these showcase video, featured video, you need to upload some content. So I'll take one or two videos also here from Pexel. Just a small one, like 10 seconds, 3 seconds, 10, 15 seconds should be good. Also be sure not to go into iStock because everything there is paid format for you to make use of it right now. Okay, it's downloaded. So here, click on create. So either you want to go live or you want to upload videos. This is the one right next to your logo here. Upload video and drop in the ones you have downloaded. You can drag them in or find them and add however convenient. Okay, it says unreadable. I think I need to move to the desktop 1 minute. Just move it there and then drag the content. Create, upload video, sign in the download. Yeah, now it's working. So even when it's uploading, just wait until the SD version at least gets uploaded. We have SD, HD, and then the 4K version. Depends on the content you're uploading. Just wait till at least the SD is uploaded. Okay, here again, your title is and description is very important. So give this as you create content. Look out what basically people are looking out for on the internet. To Google suggest and some keyword research, you can be able to find out what people are actually looking out for. And based on that, you can create your title and also keep those keywords in the title and description. Say how to travel with a budget. Okay, see. Now they have found out there's a copyright issue. YouTube prevented this video because copy of a video was being removed in the past. So if you see this content here, you have details, video element, and checks. So that will be going in the background of the video when it's being uploaded. But there, if you saw it, it said copyright free. So if you're downloading videos on YouTube and then uploading, this might be an issue. So try it on Pixel. I'll just quickly bring in the one I have taken on Pixel. Okay, let me put that on desktop again. So each time you add a video, YouTube shall do a check in the background, whether it's been lifted from YouTube and the title there said it's okay, but here now, okay. So now upload is complete. I took a very small video from Pixels this time. Say how to travel. They randomly come up with some description. Like I told you, it should match. And also you can use in some hashtags and some keywords. So it'll be easy for them. Okay, next would be thumbnail. See, it will basically take up thumbnail which shall be a screenshot of the video. Or again, you have to go into Canva. I'll just take a preset this time. Again, just to save time. Okay, go into home, go to home tab or the home page of Canva and look for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, it's a 1280 by 720 pixel. So I was telling you title, description, and also your thumbnail should match. Also the content what you're uploading. So make sure this is aligned. This is aligned. Okay, this again the milestones you can add in as your channel gets those views and subscribers. And any point of time, your existing videos also, you can change your thumbnail, and you see that happening often as well. See here, if I go to home page, you should be seeing all these music videos basically updating the thumbnail once they reach a milestone, say certain number of views, and see here. Or the first one. So once they have got million plus views, they have updated the thumbnail. So you can do it as well as whatever number of subscribers and views you get for this channel. You can also mention, see, if it's a lyrical video, they mention very clearly, or tips. See these digital marketing videos, and the ones which are not supposed to be influenced are the ones they make for news channels. They're like very, what do you say, contrast is high and the text is all over the place. That's too much. At least you can refer some good music videos which see after a certain milestone of getting 20 million views, they've updated. So even your existing videos are doing really well after some point. It's important you upload, and that's a trend if you see it. Okay, so that's the importance of your thumbnail. You can add in the logo you've created. Likewise, I think I'm not downloading mine there. Okay, you can change this. You can add in your image. Download. Many even upload videos with just mixes, mixtape or audio one after another, and create a thumbnail with all the tracks in it, the playlist of it. So a lot of ways you can start your YouTube channel. Okay, okay, add in the thumbnail. If you don't, it'll just take. Okay, so for me to do this, there's a procedure which I should enable. Basically, you go into your customized channel, you go into the studio, YouTube Studio, and enable a feature to add customized thumbnail. Otherwise, you'll not be able to add in thumbnail as per your choice. You'll take the screenshot of the video, say here, and go into settings. So there are two settings, don't get confused. One is the main YouTube channel settings, and one your studio settings, YouTube studio settings. And once you're here, channel, feature eligibility, and make this eligible. For this, it's going to ask you your phone number. It's completely safe. It's Google, so don't worry. Giving a number, and you'll get a code. Once you enable that, you should be able to use the other features. Okay, put in the code you get. Okay, verify. So now you can add your customized thumbnail. Let's just refresh this. Yeah. Okay, let me copy this at least so I don't have to type it all again. Keep it, it's not made for kids. So certain features will not be available if you keep this option as for kids. I hope it has refreshed. Okay, let me try this again. I'll copy the. Okay, I'll quickly repeat that process. I've copied it, so it shouldn't take much time. If you're not able to finish this, we'll do this again tomorrow. So now it's enabling you to add your custom thumbnail. So do that process for you to get access to this. So it might, the thumbnail might not be part of the video, but again, it should be relatable. So the preview is getting uploaded 1 minute. You can do the other. So playlist, like I told you, it's very important. Once you start adding in a lot more content. So you can create various playlists depending on what category of content you're coming up with. Say based on location, year, month, or your own kind of, you can give any name. So I'll say 2022 playlist. And keep it public. Only when we're doing ads, we shall be keeping it unlisted. So it shall not show up on other places. Otherwise, keep it public. So can be viewed by anyone. Create and select it again. Okay, you need to comply with Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. So if you keep this, a lot of features you should not be able to access. And you can even have an age restrictions if you want. Click on show more, there are a lot more options here. Basically, it's asking tag. So tags can be useful if your content of a video is commonly misspelled. Say if they're looking for travel vlog and they type vlog, or they miss out something. If they still want to find the exact video and your video has to show up there, add in these tags, it helps. Also here you can use your keyword research, find out what people are basically looking for. You can go to Google and you can go on YouTube as well. See, for example, I'll just take a couple of minutes. We'll do the rest of it tomorrow. There's just some like that. We'll finish it off tomorrow. You type travel and see the options. What do you think? Travel pros, travel master, travel visitor, travel around the world, travel DC. And again, you can use other tools as well and Google suggest, see what people are looking out for. Um, you can give in your own, okay, but if you want to get more views and see what's exactly get uh, the likely videos of travel, you can give in those details. If you give a comma, then you get a new tab. Just giving few tags, it should be enough. Okay, language caption certification. If you, in case you're adding a language, just choose it. These details do help, as in location definitely. So it'll come in those collection of videos which are part of that geographical location. Say I choose Bangalore, and once you upload, you shall see those small changes. Okay, standard YouTube license. You can allow people and select category. So it's taken people and blogs. You can take travel, how-to videos, education, entertainment. You have all those other options there. Okay, you can disable comments if you don't want to. Like initially, you're trying to add in videos and you don't want others to see. One more thing, if you want to start creating a channel and upload videos you don't want others to see, just keep it private or unlisted until you get that confidence it's okay for others to see. Okay, same with comments as well. If you don't want others to comment, you can disable them here. Next. Okay. Uh, I'll do this tomorrow. Add cards, and again, it shouldn't take much time. End screen again, if this has to be done, the video has to be 25 seconds or longer. I'll just skip this step for now. I will do it tomorrow. So no copyright. The first one, it said in the title it's copyright free. The minute it uploaded, YouTube realized it has copyright issues. Okay, finally, visibility. Please keep it public here. If you set an instant premiere, it notifies all your subscribers and creates a live chat once the video is out, so they can all have a conversation. On the right side somewhere you will have a chat section that goes in, or you also have an option of scheduling it, like how you schedule the post. You can do that. Okay, publish. And here you should be getting a link which can be shared across all platforms. But if you want the thumbnail to be there the minute you publish a video, please wait till the SD version gets uploaded. If you do it right before that, you should not be getting the actual thumbnail. Okay, you can share the link, and so let's just view that for now. This doesn't have sound. I just took it randomly now. I chose two videos. One was copyright. Okay, let's quickly view it and see here. It's on upload. It's just an upload, but we'll put this on the showcase video tomorrow. If you click on this, so you have your watermark here. And what we need to do is add an iCard, which we'll do it tomorrow, and also end screen. So this is a automatically generated one. You can get another one where one you'll get a subscribe button, another two videos which uh, keep your audience navigated only in your channel. Fine. I think we'll need some more time for this. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, it's 8:05, and is it okay? Try coming in a little early tomorrow. We'll continue with YouTube, and then we'll go on to the YouTube ads. Also, please download a couple of videos. It will be helpful for you to understand. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's meet tomorrow. Any doubts you can ask me tomorrow as well. I think it's a bit late for you today. Are you all there? Okay. See you tomorrow.